You might think Hollywood has its share of youthful secrets, but Brad Pitt, at 61 years old, looks like he's barely touched by time. How is it possible that the same Brad Pitt, who's been a global icon for decades, still sports a jawline and energy level more typical of a 35-year-old? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the 5 anti-aging foods Brad Pitt eats daily, the real reasons behind his ageless glow and vitality. And trust me, you'll be absolutely shocked by what we reveal about his habits by the end of this video. So stick with us till the very end. The Brad Pitt phenomenon, defying time with food and fitness. Brad Pitt's youthful appearance isn't magic, it's science, discipline, and consistency. Over the years, Brad has crafted a holistic approach to health, blending smart nutrition with targeted workouts and mental well-being practices. Unlike quick-fix celebrity diets, his regimen focuses on longevity and nourishing the body deeply. While many celebrities chase trends, Brad's secret lies in simple, clean, nutrient-packed foods that fight inflammation, boost recovery, and support cellular health. The cornerstones of staying young from the inside out. The 5 anti-aging superfoods Brad Pitt relies on daily. Let's dive into the 5 powerhouse foods Brad Pitt incorporates into his daily diet that help keep him looking youthful and feeling energized. No gimmicks, just pure nutritional gold. Egg whites, the ultimate protein kickstart. Brad starts his mornings with egg whites, a classic lean protein source that fuels muscle repair and recovery without excess calories or fat. Egg whites are packed with amino acids, which are essential for rebuilding tissue and maintaining lean muscle mass, crucial for a youthful, toned physique. Brad once said he prefers light but powerful breakfasts, and egg whites fit the bill perfectly. They provide sustained energy without weighing him down, helping him stay sharp throughout the day. Lean meats, chicken, turkey, and fish for muscle and metabolism. Lean meats like chicken breast, turkey, and various fish species are staples in Brad's diet. These high-quality proteins supply essential amino acids needed to build muscle, boost metabolism, and repair cells. Brad grills or broils these proteins, pairing them with nutrient-dense sides for balanced meals that keep his energy stable, crucial when preparing for demanding roles or long shooting days. Complex carbs, brown rice and quinoa for steady energy. Brad prefers complex carbohydrates like brown rice and quinoa to fuel his body sustainably. These grains release energy slowly, helping avoid blood sugar spikes and crashes, which can age the body prematurely. Rich in fiber and antioxidants, these carbs also support digestion and gut health, a foundation of overall vitality. Leafy greens, nature's anti-aging powerhouses. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are everyday essentials for Brad. Loaded with vitamins A, C, K, and minerals like magnesium and calcium, they combat oxidative stress, one of the leading causes of aging. These greens not only help maintain healthy skin and bones, but also support immune function and cellular repair, making them true age-defying superheroes. Fresh fruits, berries, green apples, and bananas for natural antioxidants. Brad snacks on fresh fruits such as blueberries, strawberries, green apples, and bananas. These fruits provide antioxidants, fiber, and natural sugars that supply quick energy boosts without the crash associated with processed snacks. Antioxidants fight free radicals, molecules that damage cells and accelerate aging, so including these fruits daily keeps Brad's skin glowing and his body resilient. Brad Pitt's weekly workout routine, building strength, agility, and endurance. Of course, Brad's youthful appearance isn't just about food. His workout routine is meticulously designed to keep him lean, strong, and agile, ready to tackle any role, whether it's action-packed or dramatic. Monday, chest and shoulders, power and definition. Brad kicks off his week focusing on his upper body, particularly chest and shoulder muscles. His typical exercises include bench presses, incline dumbbell presses, push-ups, shoulder presses, and lateral raises. This combination sculpts a broad, defined upper body while maintaining mobility and balance, key for the dynamic roles he often plays. Tuesday, leg strength and stability. Leg day is a non-negotiable for Brad. Squats, leg presses, lunges, and calf raises build not only muscle, but also foundational strength and endurance. Strong legs support overall mobility and joint health, essential for staying active and youthful. Wednesday, cardio and core, lean and agile. Midweek, Brad focuses on cardio and core training, running, cycling, planks, Russian twists, and hanging leg raises. These exercises keep his heart healthy and his midsection tight, helping maintain a low body fat percentage and excellent posture. Thursday, arms, tone, and definition. Brad targets his biceps and triceps with curls, dips, hammer curls, and overhead tricep extensions. Defined arms not only look great on screen, but also improve functional strength. Friday, full body circuit, balance and conditioning. Friday's full body workout is a circuit that combines deadlifts, pull-ups, clean and press, and kettlebell swings. This dynamic routine boosts cardiovascular endurance, strength, and muscular coordination, all of which contribute to Brad's youthful agility and stamina. Weekend, active recovery, yoga, stretching, and walking. On weekends, Brad practices active recovery, incorporating yoga, stretching, and leisurely walks. This helps his muscles recover, reduces injury risk, and keeps him limber and stress-free, critical elements for maintaining youthfulness. But here's the question. How much of Brad's youthful energy comes down to just these foods and workouts? Is there something more, something less obvious that's keeping this Hollywood star looking decades younger than his age? Stay tuned, because up next, we're diving into the powerful supplements Brad uses to amplify his body's performance and slow down aging at the cellular level. The 5 supplements Brad Pitt swears by for longevity and vitality. Beyond his diet and exercise, Brad incorporates targeted supplementation to ensure his body functions at its peak. Here's a breakdown of the 5 key supplements he uses daily. Whey protein for muscle repair and growth. Brad reaches for whey protein after workouts to quickly supply his muscles with essential amino acids. Whey protein is fast-absorbing and effective at supporting recovery and muscle synthesis, helping him stay lean and strong. Multivitamins, covering all nutritional bases. Even with a nutrient-rich diet, Brad takes a daily multivitamin to fill in any nutritional gaps. These vitamins support immune function, energy production, and cellular health, a must for someone with such a demanding lifestyle. Creatine monohydrate, boosting strength and endurance. Creatine is one of the most researched supplements for muscle strength and endurance. Brad includes it to enhance his workout performance and support muscle growth, ensuring he gets maximum benefits from every session. Omega-3 fatty acids, heart and brain support. Omega-3s are essential for reducing inflammation, supporting cardiovascular health, and enhancing brain function. Brad knows the value of keeping inflammation low to speed recovery and maintain mental clarity, crucial for an actor balancing intense physical and mental demands. Vitamin D for bone health and energy. Vitamin D supports bone strength, immune defense, and mood regulation. Despite spending time outdoors, Brad supplements with vitamin D to maintain optimal levels, which helps keep him energized and resilient. The mental and emotional component, Brad's holistic wellness approach. Brad Pitt often speaks about health beyond the physical. He focuses on mental well-being, stress management, and getting quality sleep, all crucial for longevity. Staying young isn't just about fighting wrinkles or building muscle. It's about creating a balanced lifestyle that nurtures mind, body, and spirit. So, what can we learn from Brad Pitt's approach? It's not about extreme diets or punishing workouts. It's about nourishing your body consistently with the right foods, moving in ways that build strength and flexibility, and supporting your system with smart supplementation. Aging gracefully is a lifestyle, not a quick fix. If Brad Pitt's secrets to staying youthful inspire you, imagine what you could do by adopting just a few of these habits today. Remember, the fountain of youth isn't a myth. It's a combination of smart choices, dedication, and listening to your body. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Brad's anti-aging secrets, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with friends who want to unlock their own youthful potential. And drop a comment below. Which of Brad's 5 foods are you excited to try? Thanks for watching, and here's to staying vibrant, strong, and forever young, just like Brad Pitt.